I'm going to read from Srila Prabhupada's purport to Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Leela, chapter 12, text 8. The words Doibe Karan indicate that by dint of providence or by God's will, the followers of Advaita Acharya divided into two parties. Such disagreement among the disciples of one Acharya is also found among the members of the Gauriya Math. In the beginning, during the presence of Om Vishnupad Paramahamsa Parivrajaga Acharya, Ashto Tarasata Sri Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, all the disciples worked in agreement, but just after his disappearance they disagreed. One party strictly followed the instructions of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, but another group created their own concoction about executing his desires. So, my message going out into the ether, will the GBC listen? Unlikely, but let us put a message in a bottle and put it out to sea. Before that happens, we're on the precipice, we're on the edge of a very grave schism. Why not dialogue? Throughout all these years, there's never been any attempt to bring together members of the opposing parties, let's be frank, to try to understand each other's deep antipathy to the opposite position. Rather, the pro-FDG party has engaged in politics, which I've given just a little insight into. It's all you can, it's not, I'm not making it up, it's all documented. So this is very inauspicious that they simply engage in politics. It's not divinely inspired. Why, again, I suspect that they understand that if the issues are brought out according to Guru, Sadhu and Shastra, they know they don't have anything to stand on, because they're not standing on the platform of Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. They're standing on the platform of cultural Marxism, actually. And they'll be exposed. So what do? Like secular feminists, they engage in politics and shaming others, misogynists. Somehow or other they must get their way.